Okay guys, today I'm going to be discussing an innovative solar device. As you can see on your screen, this is basically a DIY tower. You can say a DIY solar tower in which there are a number of solar arrays or solar panels arranged at a particular angle, enabling you to harness the solar energy to its full potential. And I think this is a very new way of using solar panel, and because of its small size, you can place it anywhere. If you have a house and there is a small sunny spot, you can place this device there, and it is a portable device. You can take it anywhere in your travels, and I think it is a very new and innovative way of using solar energy than traditional solar panel. So this is basically a Backyard Revolution guide in which you will find all the list of tools and step-by-step instruction helping you to form such a DIY solar panel. And I think this is a very informative course in which you will find a lot of information about renewable energy and how you can use that energy to its full potential. Here I am going to be bringing you a sneak peek of the members area of this course, so that you can see what you should expect from this course and how informative it is for you. This is basically the members area when you purchase the Backyard Revolution. This is page will be appear. So here you can see that there is also a free gift included in this program when you buy. So this is basically a guide, Backyard Revolution, that you will be getting, and it is a PDF file you can download on your PC, and everything is included in this guide. So here you can download on your computer, and this is a 3D project. It is basically a 117 pages guide, and all the contents are included. There is distributed according to chapter wise. Chapter 1, you will find all the list of tools that you need, all the list of material, parts dimension, assembly, buildings in pictures. All things are included as a step-by-step guide. All the wiring, connection, how you have to do. So, and there is also included 2 videos. So it's a 17-minute video. This is video 1. 17-minute video 2. So you don't make any mistake. If you find any confusion in this guide, you can go towards these videos and helps you resolve this problem. There is also include a home version, which means it's basically a sizable section, meaning when you build this 3D solar tower, you can enhance it, or I can say that you can improve it by following these guides. You can further improve, make improvements or make customization. You can download these guides, and it will help you to make further customization and how you can make this project better. There is also a video included in this section.
Hey guys,
it is a 40 minutes video. You can watch it, and then there is a bonus section, and there are 3 PDF files included in these, and you will also get these, download these PDF files, and you can find everything. So it's basically a 23 pages worth PDF file, and these 3. Also there is this free gift, and this is all the member area you will get when you buy this program. So this is a free bonuses. So let's go back. So now you have seen the sneak peek of the members area, and the question arises where to purchase the program. And I will say that there is our website, waystosavenergy.net. You can find the link in the description of this video. There we have written a detailed review of this program, and if it interests you, you can click on the link in the description, visit our website, see our review, and if it interests you, then you can purchase the program and experiment it yourself. Thank you for watching. This is Inside Reviews, and we are bringing the review of Backyard Revolution.